What's up, guys? Follow me here. We're going to show you this deck we built. The company name is Roofmaster, but we're Deckmaster today. So we got a 12 by 48 deck here, and then half of it's enclosed, screened in. Let's check this out. This section is 12 by 22, I think, and the homeowner wanted enough room for a table and possibly a grill. And of course, this is the special part of this project. We've got a hot tub in there. It's even going there. 100-degree water. That looks pretty inviting. And then we've got a back door here going down to a set of steps. The hot tub was a little custom work. We had to build a platform in there to kind of tuck that thing away, but it all worked out good. Yeah, this project was kind of unique. It was fun. It was different than what we usually do. Our main thing is roofing. www.roofmasterllc.com. But here we built a deck, so we really did enjoy it. Another little cool thing about this is we got this little door here, and yeah. Maybe park a lawnmower, stack some old lumber, or, I mean, heck, you can maybe put a couple goats in there.